In the world of real estate, the name of the game is the next client. And that's where you need to be focused, not constantly looking back, but looking forward. There's a reason the windshield is so large and the rearview mirror is so small. In order to look forward, it needs to be big picture. You don't need to be looking back. That's what the luxury marketing program can do for you.
The luxury marketing program is unlike any other offering in our market. We have a dedicated team of luxury professionals on staff that deal in luxury 100%.
They do a really excellent job with the clients. They engage with the clients well. They provide statistics. They're collecting where all of our luxury buyers are coming from, or where our sellers are engaged and where they're going to next. Having this data allows us to directly target certain zip codes, certain regions, certain specific areas of the country that we know the bulk of our buyers are coming from.
I think you have to use every tool possible when you're listing a luxury home or you're going for an appointment to talk to someone about listing their luxury home. People are very proud of their homes. And I tell people, we are the only company in Western North Carolina that has a team dedicated to help me sell their luxury home.
We're competing with big companies up here. We're competing with Sotheby's and Berkshire Hathaway, large companies, and I think we have everything they have plus extra.
Anytime you're dealing with a high-end client, they're going to look for more opportunities than just one person. And if you're doing any significant amount of volume, they're going to know that you're busy, and they're going to want to know that when you're busy, how are they going to be looked after? And the luxury marketing program does that for you.
I show them a sample marketing plan. I show them sample brochures. I show them past Spire magazine and Wall Street Journal ads that I've done. And people really like the fact that you've got a partner.
When they see a print ad in the Wall Street Journal or in Luxury Portfolio International, they are thrilled. And I have to say, I was at an open house here last week, and my accountant, who is in Boca Raton, Florida, texted me this particular townhome in Mansions Global in the Wall Street Journal, and I was delighted. I sent that text to my sellers, and they were just thrilled.
I can't tell you the comments I get on this just sold or the just listed postcards and the examples of the marketing that they put in there, because people say, oh wow, my house will look great in that same type of application.
The story that the sellers tell us, we weave through every piece of marketing material that we create, so that when this property hits the market, it's a story and it's an experience. It's not just a listing.
You need that help, and I'm not aware of another firm that provides that level of assistance, certainly for the value that it is.